On any of your lists, you will see the item that's called out, the number of times it appears in your document, any relevant icons based on the issues, if there are any issues for that icon, and then the category that it falls under within the tile. You can use the filter button to work through each category one at a time, or you can also use this little hamburger icon to determine how you'd like to sort the risk. So for example, I have this checkbox for always sort risks first, but I could also choose to sort by document order. There's also a few different options we can choose. We can choose to refresh the results here. That's also available down at the bottom. So as you work through your list one by one, it should update in real time, but if you'd like to force refresh or you're seeing a bit of a pause, you can certainly do that as well. You can also add comments based on items in your list, so you could choose to add multiple comments depending on multiple items. You could choose to check all and add comments. You could also create a report from your list, depending what's most helpful for you. You can also choose to flag any items. So for example, if you have a question on executive here, you can choose to add a flag so that as you collaborate with your colleagues and you pass this document off to someone else who is using Litera Check, you can call out that specific flag and let them know that you need some secondary eyes on this as well. You'll also notice that there's an option to ignore. When you ignore an item, it's not just for this particular document, it will be ignored indefinitely. Now you can update that using in your settings, and you can modify what's been ignored, but that is something to note, that using ignore will ignore that particular term under this category indefinitely. Again, that is something you can undo under the settings, which you can see in another video.